viewers, I am Anima. Once again, I am back with another herbal tea. Well, this herbal tea is specifically to pacify the Pitta Dosha. Now, you will love this tea because I'm going to use in this particular herbal tea rose flowers. Here you can see the rose flowers. I've washed them. I'll be using one for this. Now the other ingredients required for this Pitta pacifying tea are as follows. You need the petals of this rose flower, and this one is a red one showing something other. Okay, the other ingredients required for 2 cups of water. I've taken 2 regular cups of water. Along with that, 2 pods of cardamom, 1 small piece of licorice, which is also known as mulethi or jashti madhu, mint leaves, and 1 teaspoon of coriander. Now here it is known as rock sugar or mishri. Now this is an additional option for sweetness. If you need to take some sweet, you can add this also. So I will be adding. So let's start. Put the pan on flame and put the water. Now I'll put all the ingredients in this water and let it boil. It's not coming. I'll give it a stir. So I'll have to peel the rose petals also. So here are the rose petal, rose flower, and only the petals are required. The petals have started to discolor. So let it boil. It will be boiling for 3 to 5 minutes. So I'll keep it like that. And I'll throw away this one. It is not required. Okay. For details about what is Pitta Dosha and what are its adverse effects, I will be giving that all in the description. Maybe I will also share an article on doshas, so you can read there. All will be given in the description box. So this will be boiling for 5 minutes. Let it boil. In general, it can be said that if Pitta gets aggravated in the body, it causes various skin problems from eczema, psoriasis, acne, pimples, hair fall. Also sometimes it causes heartburn, acidity, digestive problem also arises. So it's always better to keep the Pitta balance. So if you want to know about what is the diet required for Pitta doshas, So I will be sharing that also in the article, and do comment about that you want to know that. One has to drink this tea after cooling it. You cannot take this one as very hot. So this basically calms down the pitta aggravation. So it is known as the Pitta Pacifying tea or calming tea or cooling tea. It also helps to have a good sleep. And I will share also another recipe. So that is called rose tea. Let it boil. So for that you specifically require again rose petals. This is also another rose, and fennel seeds and mint leaves. So this is also known as not pitta pacifying, but it is a cooling or calming tea. So this is also going to be taken when it is cool. The best way to make is that simmer the rose petals first for 5 minutes, then add the fennel and the mint leaves, because mint leaf has got a very strong aroma and it masks the mild aroma of the rose petals. Now I won't be adding the mishri directly to that. I will be adding the mishri to the cups. So you have to take this after you have cooled down. So it's near about 5 minutes, and the petals have lost all its color and it's pale in color. The color is dissolved in water. So it's 5 minutes over. So I'll turn off the flame, let it rest for 5 seconds, cover it, and then I'll be strain it. So it's strained. Okay. Since I've added the rock sugar, the mishri here, it will dissolve, and you have to basically cool this tea or this concoction. So once cool, you can sip it or drink it. So this is one, and while it's cooling, the mishri will get dissolved in it to add the desired sweetness. So this much for today. Hope you will like this video, and a like, a share is always appreciated. Do comment in the comment box how do you like this, and till then, goodbye. I wish you all health, wealth and happiness. till the next video. Bye.